Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the Apple Intelligence Engine can run locally and securely. First, check iOS and updates. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID with iCloud Plus and Face ID enabled for personalized models. Once done, plug into power and a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi to download on device assets. Make sure automatic downloads and backups are allowed. These steps unlock the next screens and ensure model files and preferences will sync correctly to your iPhone 16. Now you enable and fine-tune Apple Intelligence. Go to Settings, find Apple Intelligence, and toggle core features like writing assistance, image understanding, and live transcription. You must grant targeted permissions, microphone for dictation, photos for image context, messages for summaries, because the models need data access to help. Then choose on device only for privacy or iCloud assisted for heavier tasks. Pick performance mode if you want faster responses. This controls compute, storage, and latency, so the system finish by personalizing and testing Apple Intelligence so it adapts to you. Train it with a few sample prompts, set voice and memory preferences, and run 3 quick tasks. Summarize an article, caption a photo, and ask a contextual question. Observe latency and accuracy, tweak performance or privacy settings if needed. If something fails, reboot the iPhone, confirm iCloud sync and permissions, reinstall any pending updates, and only then reset Apple Intelligence settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.